Coast of Maine dropped by yesterday, take a look at the gardens and let me give a little tour. And we got to talking about all the things that gardeners talk about. How you got started, who taught you, how long you've been gardening, 23 years. We talked about the biggest challenges for this season, but you know the one thing we forgot to talk about? Soil. When you first start gardening, you see a lot of things that say organic in the store, the big box stores especially, and you think, great, organic, I think I'll use that. So my lesson happened when I had a lot of garden beds, and I decided last minute to add one more. And so I thought, I'll just run to the store and grab a box of organic soil. So I did. And it said organic, and it said all the right things, and I thought it was good. I put it in the box, and I planted beans. Well, those beans grew about 3 inches and then turned yellow and died. And I couldn't figure out, it was all organic soil, so what was the difference? And since I've been using Coast of Maine, which has been, I don't know, 15, 20 years, it's been a long time. I've never had a problem. I've always had great output. And the soil bag that I like the best is the seed starting. That's my go-to. I don't have to learn the soil science. I don't need to do anything. I just wet it, get it in the seed trays, plant, and perfect every time. Give it a try if you haven't.